And now the end is here, and I have faced that final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, of which I am certain. I've lived a life that's full until they found my secret hideaway. But more, much more than this, they blew my ass away. Gunshots I felt around too, but then again, too few to mention. They did what they had to do and saw it through without exemption. I planned each charted course except for seals down in my driveway, and more, much more than this, I had a really bad day. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I hid in caves and stuck it out. I faced it all. Yes, I did fall, but did it my way. I've loved, I've laughed and died. I've had my fill, my share of winning. But now, in this ocean wide, I find it all so discouraging to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. So why, oh why was I sent down hell's highway? For what is a man? What has he got? If not his life, then he has not to say the things he used to feel, the hateful words of a bloody heel. The record shows I took the bullet holes and did it my way. Yes, it was my way. Now where the hell are those 72 virgins I was promised? Damn it.